Introducing the Beretta APX. This handgun is an air-powered variant of Beretta's first full-size striker-fired pistol that was specifically designed to meet the needs of military and law enforcement operators. The Beretta APX is a full-size polymer-framed handgun with a distinctively textured metallic slide and a single-stack drop-free magazine that holds 20 rounds of smooth steel BBs. It propels BB ammunition up to 395 feet per second. The slide cycles with every round fired and holds back when the magazine is empty. The APX delivers superior performance in fit and finish. It sports an ergonomically designed polymer frame and features a standard Picatinny rail for mounting accessories. Behind the textured backstrap of the APX, you will find a CO2 compartment that holds a single 12-gram disposable capsule. On the slide is a 3-dot sight system, which provides for quick target acquisition and accurate shooting. Ask for the fully branded and licensed Beretta APX air pistol at your favorite retailer. This Glock 17 Gen 4 air gun is an officially licensed replica. It feels like a Glock and fits a variety of aftermarket holsters so that pistol handling techniques can be practiced. This Glock 17 Gen 4 air gun comes with extra back straps, so you can customize it to fit your hand size. The surface of the handle of the receiver of the Gen 4 air gun features an easily grippable textured profile. Internally, the CO2 valve regulates the 320 feet per second velocity, and its metal magazine contains both a 12-gram CO2 capsule that provides its power and 18 rounds of steel BBs, all contributing to its weight and size, making it optimal for magazine drills. The appearance of the trigger resembles the Glock Safe Action trigger. Its white dot sights allows for fast target acquisition. The under-receiver rail accepts accessories, and the magazine release is true to form. Order the officially licensed Glock 17 Gen 4 air gun from your favorite retailer today.